entitled to do that. You're telling me you know the answer without the added info that I have to offer you. So, I will not offer you the added info then. So, it's your strategy on how you want to play the game. Plus 10 if you get it right. Minus 5 if you get it wrong. All teams, if you're ready, question number 1 on your screens. Here we go. This was an extremely popular report known as the Dash Committee. He came into the news in 2014 when he was reappointed to the post. 4th of July 2011 was when this happened. The person being described here is the name of this report. It's called the Dash Committee Report. It issued guidelines to expand the banking outreach through business facilitators and business correspondents with ICT support for spearheading financial inclusion across the country. If you want to know, they're taking a shot is Delhi, a plus 10 and a minus 5. Hands off, Chitra. Go on.
Tendulkar Committee.
A minus 5 to you on that. The answer is the Khan Committee or the Harun Rashid Khan Committee. Well, tough one for the teams. They went for it, but got a minus 5. Moving on to our second question. Hands on the buzzer. Here we go. As Reserve Bank of India commences active operations today, I take opportunity to convey to you and to your colleagues on the board my most cordial good wishes and to express my confidence that this great undertaking will contribute largely to the economic well-being of India and of its people. This was a very famous message. On the 1st of April 1935, the Secretary of State for India sent the following message to Sir Osborne Smith, a British statesman who was a chief architect in many ways of the Government of India Act, is the person I am looking for. After a debate, Chandigarh are going for it. Into your mics. Yes.
Sir, Lord Chelmsford.
Lord Chelmsford.
Lord Chelmsford.
Minus 5 to you. Well, the Bankers' Bank is proving to be a tricky one here today. Sir Samuel Hoare is the answer that I was looking for. Here's the next one coming. All hands on the buzzer, on your screens, now. The gentleman in the center was the first Deputy Governor, along with Sir James Taylor. They've given it a go. On my right is Varanasi.
He is Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan.
And who is the gentleman on his right?
Sir James Brett Taylor.
I gave you that. The other gentleman. There's a world leader there. All right, fair enough.
Is the the person on the left is Churchill, right? And the person on
Sir
the
Winston Churchill.
And the one on the right
is James Taylor.
James Taylor.
Well, they get their 10 points on that. Well, I was just fooling around with you. No worry if you don't know Mr. Taylor. No worry if you don't know Mr. Winston Churchill. And as long as you know Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan, it gets you your 10 points. Winston Churchill will be very unhappy that you know Sikandar Hayat Khan and you don't know Winston Churchill. Well, anyway, I think they got a little stumped about it. Good 10 points to you. Back to the quiz. Here's the next one. All teams, hands on the buzzer. Here we go. What is the significance of this coin in the context of the Bankers' Bank? The East India Company double mohr. On my right, Meerut are giving this a go. Yes.
The first coin issued by Reserve Bank of India.
This was the first coin issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Minus 5 to you. Minus 5 to you. Well, the lion and the palm tree as an inscription was behind this coin. And that got adapted later as this fantastic logo of the Reserve Bank of India that you see. Well, the lion, of course, later went on to become or get replaced with a tiger, because India is more to do with a tiger. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a remarkable battle here today, and it is a very tight fight. On the other side, we'll tell you where the teams stand. For the moment, we need to take a very quick break. Back in a jiffy. Stay with us.
First of all, RBI has taken a very great initiative to start with. It started in 2012, covering 32 cities around the nation. After 2 years, now it is covering 62 cities around the nation. So as time progresses, more and more cities from around the nation will be covered under this very great initiative, and even the remotest corners of the country would come to know what actually RBI is. What is the role of Reserve Bank of India in India? What is its role in expanding financial literacy all over the world?
RBI क्विज 2014 प्रस्तुतकर्ता रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया।
किस्मत मेरी खुल गई।
क्या बात है बाबूजी, बहुत खुश लग रहे हैं।
अरे ईमेल आई है, मेरी $50,000 की लॉटरी लगी है, देख।
अच्छा,
बस मुझे इंटरनेट बैंकिंग आईडी और अकाउंट का पासवर्ड भेजना है, सारा पैसा मेरे अकाउंट में आ जाएगा। देख देख।
बाबूजी, आजकल कोई मुफ्त की एक कप चाय नहीं पिलाता, फिर अनजान लोग किसी को इतना पैसा क्यों देंगे? ये सब धोखा है, जालसाजी है। ऐसे ईमेल और SMS से सावधान रहें। अपनी बैंकिंग की गुप्त जानकारी कभी किसी को ना दें।
कभी उंगली पकड़कर किसी ने हमें दुनिया दिखाई थी, आज हमारी बारी है।
पापा, हाय, जरा हाथ देना।
क्या कह रही?
पेश है एयरटेल वन टच इंटरनेट, सिर्फ एक टच में इंटरनेट।
मुंह के कोने में प्रॉब्लम है, तुम फ्लेक्सिबल कलाइयों के साथ बैट्समैन की सफाई करते हो ना? दांतों की सफाई के लिए फ्लेक्सिबल गर्दन चाहिए, इसकी तरह।
ओए, है गिया।
ज्यादातर प्रॉब्लम्स मुंह के कोने में शुरू होती हैं। नए कोलगेट सुपर फ्लेक्सी की फ्लेक्सिबल गर्दन मुंह के मुश्किल कोने में पहुंचकर पूरे मुंह की सफाई करे। नया कोलगेट सुपर फ्लेक्सी।
लाइए टाइड नेचुरल्स, इसमें है कई फायदे। नींबू और चंदन की खुशबू के साथ दे कड़क सफाई, बेहतरीन खुशबू और हाथों की नरमाई। कई फायदों वाला टाइड नेचुरल्स, बड़ा पैक, बड़े फायदे।
कभी उंगली पकड़कर किसी ने हमें दुनिया दिखाई थी, आज हमारी बारी है।
पापा, हाय, जरा हाथ देना।
क्या कह रही?
पेश है एयरटेल वन टच इंटरनेट, सिर्फ एक टच में इंटरनेट।
मुंह के कोने में प्रॉब्लम है, तुम फ्लेक्सिबल कलाइयों के साथ बैट्समैन की सफाई करते हो ना? दांतों की सफाई के लिए फ्लेक्सिबल गर्दन चाहिए, इसकी तरह।
ओए, है गिया।
ज्यादातर प्रॉब्लम्स मुंह के कोने में शुरू होती हैं। नए कोलगेट सुपर फ्लेक्सी की फ्लेक्सिबल गर्दन मुंह के मुश्किल कोने में पहुंचकर पूरे मुंह की सफाई करे। नया कोलगेट सुपर फ्लेक्सी।
सर्दी से परेशान, बंद नाक और सरदर्द भी?
अरे हाँ भाई हाँ।
तो साधारण गोली नहीं, विक्स एक्शन 500 लो, जो सर्दी के 5 लक्षणों से दे आराम। सर्दी गॉन, लाइफ ऑन।
कभी उंगली पकड़कर किसी ने हमें दुनिया दिखाई थी, आज हमारी बारी है।
पापा, हाय, जरा हाथ देना।
क्या कह रही?
पेश है एयरटेल वन टच इंटरनेट, सिर्फ एक टच में इंटरनेट।
एक बंगला बने।
बहुत खुश हो, क्या बात है?
बताऊंगी, पहले अपना ईमेल आईडी और पासवर्ड दो ना।
क्यों, लॉटरी लग गई है क्या?
आपको कैसे पता?
मुझे तो इसके आगे का भी पता है।
सच?
तुम्हें ईमेल आई होगी कि हजारों डॉलर्स की लॉटरी लगी है।
हाँ।
तुम्हारा इंटरनेट बैंकिंग आईडी और पासवर्ड मांगा होगा ताकि पैसे तुम्हारे बैंक अकाउंट में डाल सकें।
अंतर्यामी।
एकदम बुद्धू।
हाँ?
ये सब धोखा है, जालसाजी है। कभी ऐसे ईमेल्स या SMS के चक्कर में ना आए।
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching RBIQ 2014, and this battle seems to be a nervous one. Here's why I make that statement. RBI quotient reads as follows. On your screen, leading this quiz with 25 are Delhi, but that doesn't really give them too much of comfort, because right behind them on 20, we've got Varanasi. 2 teams on 5. All they need to tell themselves is need one answer, and we're going to be in striking distance of the remaining 2. So anything can literally happen in this quiz. Delhi in no zone of comfort. Varanasi just one answer away from the lead. The other teams, one answer away from striking distance. We move on to the next frontier, which, well, could make all the difference here today. In the northern semi-final, time for us to move to the next frontier, the frontier that the teams could really get their buzzers on and move forward. Time for them to think lateral. Time for us to join the dots. Here it comes. 4 questions common to you teams. All you got to do is think out an overall answer from the multiple clues that you would get, which could include an audio or a video. +10, -5. As we go to the first one of the 4, all you got to do is join the dots, starting with this one. Here it comes.
We are now dead 13 kilometers to the northeast of the temple city at Sarnath. Legend has it that a king was hunting down a doe when a deer came forward and offered his
On
life
my
to save
left,
it.
Delhi
So touched was
have
the
given
king
it a
with
go.
this gesture of sacrifice.
Archaeological Survey of India.
The Archaeological Survey of India. Explain that to me.
That's the logo of Archaeological Survey of India. That would be the man who founded Archaeological Survey of India. And these are a short clip by Archaeological of India depicting various monuments of India.
He's not just a good quizzer, he's also a good storyteller. +10! Get that right! I would honestly like to believe he knew nothing other than the logo of the Archaeological Society of India or the Survey of India, just went on to narrate his own convincing story. However, it's 10 points to him and his team from Delhi. As we go on to the next one, hands on the buzzer, here it comes. On my right, Meerut have pressed the buzzer on this one. Let's see what they have thought through before going on the buzzer here. Well, answer from you, Translam Academy, Meerut.
Is it the Post Office of India? Means post offices.
The Postal Services is what you mean of India. Why do you say that?
That person there is maybe the founder of the postal services, and on the left we have pigeon, which we use for conveying messages in past time, carrying all those letters when we didn't have postmen a lot. And in that movie clip, I think it was about a person, or the hero was displaying some cards or about that.
Your overall answer is Postal Service of India or India Post. Pigeons were used for postal services.
In movies.
Well, it was used in real life too. In fact, police departments extensively used pigeons. Even today, in hilly terrains, pigeons are used to send messages, and they're probably the first GPS trackers of the world. Till the term GPS came in, pigeons understand GPS far better than human satellites sometimes do. Fantastic 10 points. Yes! Translam Academy are happy. They knew they wanted a 10-pointer somewhere to get into that striking zone. What a moment for them to get it. Here's the next one coming. Iconic answer, one of my favorites. Here we go.
This is the last studio one of this series, and it's a good time for us to reflect back upon the programmes we've done so far.
Highlights?
Yes, go on. No, that's natural. See?
I finally drove the Dacia Sandero. It's a Dacia Sandero.
On my left, Chandigarh are giving this a go. What's the overall answer? Something so fantastic about the answer.
So the first car factory.
You got to give me a much more specific answer.
Sir, Ford, first car factory to be established. So Ford Motors.
-5 to you. -5 to you. The answer is the iconic Ambassador. The ambassador is your answer. The Uttarpara is the Hooghly district factory, the last of the manufacturing plants of the Ambassador. On your screen, of course, was the Morris Oxford series. The Ambassador was based on the series 3 of that. I know a little bit about Ambassador, so I can narrate that. And the Ambassador on the gear was actually voted the world's best travel or taxi in the year 2012. Well, the Ambassador not quite standing by our team from Chandigarh. As we move on to the final question, Delhi certainly wanted to go on that but could not. Will they on the next one? Will the other teams catch up? Here's the next question now.
Emerged as the young tiger of the financial markets during the Harshad Mehta bull run of 1992. But by 2000, the skeptics were on his trail, calling him a has-been. Refusing to slip into oblivion, he used the severe bear market of 2002 to catapult himself back into the mainstream by boldly proclaiming...
One answer on my left. Chandigarh are giving it a go now. Yes.
Sir, Securities and Exchange Board of India.
Securities and Exchange Board of India. Why do you say that?
Because it talked about the...
Because you talked about stocks and shares. -5 to you. Well, we showed you a specific location on a map there. DSIJ should have got you to the answer.
Dalal Street.
Is it Dalal Street? If you had pressed your buzzer and said that, you would have got 10 points. Dalal Street is the right answer. If Delhi from somewhere are going to lose this quiz, they're going to kick themselves. Dalal Street, Ambassador, how many would they miss on a buzzer? Well, Chandigarh playing the game the right way, they had to take half chances. But on this really tentative final, I think we need to take a look at the scores just for the benefit of the teams before we move to the final round. Because the team should know where they stand, especially Meerut, who made a comeback here. Here is how the battle looks at this point. On 35 is Delhi. Delhi are reading this quiz. Here it comes. On 20, Varanasi are behind them. On 15 is Meerut. So they're not at all out of the game here today. But just ahead of the rest is Delhi. But now they're 15 points clear of Varanasi with that one good answer. But that could have well been 20 or 30 points ahead. They need to think of what's on their screen and perhaps forget the past.
When we were selected for the zonal finals, our teachers gave us special classes, and they also wanted that our school should bring laurels. Also, they also want that we should help in financial literacy. We should be financially literate. So they were helping us quite a bit, and we would like to thank them for their support.
RBI Quiz 2014 प्रस्तुत करता रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया।
एक नोट ने कहा था, मेरी रंगत तो देखो, सातों रंग पहनता हूं, मेरा चेहरा उठाओ ना, बड़ी बारीक बातें हैं, छू के देखो नक्श मेरे, छुपाया कुछ नहीं मैंने, लिखा है सब लकीरों में, पहिए हैं न पंख हैं, पैसा चलता रहता है। नजर जो तेज रखते हैं वो सब कुछ ताड़ लेते हैं। जरा सा पास तो बैठो, तुम्हें पूरी तरह देखूं। जरा सी रोशनी डालो, नजर धोखा न खा जाए। ये मेरी नब्ज है देखो, ये नोट ने कहा था। सब कुछ तो परखते हो, मुझे भी परखने की एक आदत बना लो। पैसे की भाषा सुनिए, क्योंकि पैसा बोलता है।
मुंह के कोने में प्रॉब्लम है। तुम फ्लेक्सिबल कलाइयों के साथ बैट्समैन की सफाई करते हो ना, दांतों की सफाई के लिए फ्लेक्सिबल गर्दन चाहिए, इसकी तरह।
ओए,
ज्यादातर प्रॉब्लम्स मुंह के कोने में शुरू होती हैं। नए कोलगेट सुपर फ्लेक्सी की फ्लेक्सिबल गर्दन मुंह के मुश्किल कोने में पहुंचकर पूरे मुंह की सफाई करे। नया कोलगेट सुपर फ्लेक्सी।
कभी उंगली पकड़कर किसी ने हमें दुनिया दिखाई थी, आज हमारी बारी है।
पापा, हाय, जरा हाथ देना।
क्या कह रहे?
पेश है एयरटेल वन टच इंटरनेट, सिर्फ एक टच में इंटरनेट।
किस्मत मेरी खुल गई।
क्या बात है बाबूजी, बहुत खुश लग रहे हैं।
अरे ईमेल आई है, मेरी $50,000 की लॉटरी लगी है, देख।
अच्छा,
बस मुझे इंटरनेट बैंकिंग आईडी और अकाउंट का पासवर्ड भेजना है, सारा पैसा मेरे अकाउंट में आ जाएगा। देख देख।
बाबूजी आजकल कोई मुफ्त की एक कप चाय नहीं पिलाता, फिर अनजान लोग किसी को इतना पैसा क्यों देंगे? ये सब धोखा है, जालसाजी है। ऐसे ईमेल और SMS से सावधान रहें। अपनी बैंकिंग की गुप्त जानकारी कभी किसी को ना दें।
छोटा या बड़ा, माँ को है हर बच्चे की फिक्र। इसीलिए विक्स वेपोरा, जिसमें है 100% प्राकृतिक पुदीना और नीलगिरी तेल, जो दे बड़ों को सरदर्द और बच्चों को बंद नाक से राहत। विक्स वेपोरा।
मुंह के कोने में प्रॉब्लम है। तुम फ्लेक्सिबल कलाइयों के साथ बैट्समैन की सफाई करते हो ना? दांतों की सफाई के लिए फ्लेक्सिबल गर्दन चाहिए, इसकी तरह। ज्यादातर प्रॉब्लम्स मुंह के कोने में शुरू होती हैं। नए कोलगेट सुपर फ्लेक्सी की फ्लेक्सिबल गर्दन मुंह के मुश्किल कोने में पहुंचकर पूरे मुंह की सफाई करे। नया कोलगेट सुपर फ्लेक्सी।
कभी उंगली पकड़कर किसी ने हमें दुनिया दिखाई थी, आज हमारी बारी है।
पापा हाय, जरा हाथ देना।
क्या कह रही?
पेश है एयरटेल वन टच इंटरनेट, सिर्फ एक टच में इंटरनेट।
एक बंगला बने।
बहुत खुश हो, क्या बात है?
बताऊंगी, पहले अपना ईमेल आईडी और पासवर्ड दो ना।
क्यों, लॉटरी लग गई है क्या?
आपको कैसे पता?
मुझे तो इसके आगे का भी पता है।
सच?
तुम्हें ईमेल आई होगी कि हजारों डॉलर्स की लॉटरी लगी है।
हाँ।
तुम्हारा इंटरनेट बैंकिंग आईडी और पासवर्ड मांगा होगा ताकि पैसे तुम्हारे बैंक अकाउंट में डाल सकें।
अंतर्यामी।
एकदम बुद्धू।
हाँ?
ये सब धोखा है, जालसाजी है। कभी ऐसे ईमेल्स या SMS के चक्कर में ना आए।
As we move into the final frontier, it's time for you to play with your piggy banks. Here it comes. Well, like with life on a piggy bank, you would get small little pieces from a piggy bank. This time, you could get anything that a piggy bank throws at you. It could be a clue, it could be a formula, it could be a picture, any of them, a combination of clues. You've got to arrive at one final answer. 4 questions remaining. Plus 10 if you get it right. Minus 10 if you get it wrong. All hands on the buzzer. Here's the first of your 4 questions on your screen now. Assets minus liabilities divided by outstanding shares gives you something. What does it give you? Yes.
Capital to debt ratio.
You got to give me one term. It gives you a value.
So, capital to debt ratio.
Minus 10 to you on that effort. As you misfire on that, again on the buzzer, the world of mutual funds literally operates on a net asset value. NAVs or NAV as it is called. As we go on to the next one, hands on the buzzer, eyes on the screen. Here we go. 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days are the 3 types that the government of India issues these. What is this? On my right, Meerut.
Equity bonds.
Well, that'll give you a minus 10 at a moment when they don't want a minus 10. The answer is treasury bill. Comes only in 3 forms. 91, 182, 364 days. And only the government of India issues it. 2 questions remaining. Will Delhi go through into the national final? They're leading by 15 here. Moving on to our next question. Question number 3 in the final round. Delhi have moved from quizzing to keeping arithmetic. Here's the next one coming on your screen now. What's the combination? Replaced the general sales tax laws in India. A famous character from the world of Asterix. Research can be interesting. What is the answer? In 2005, it replaced the general sales tax laws in India. From the world of asterisks, we're showing you a character who would lead you to this answer. None of the teams, certainly not Delhi, wanting to press the buzzer on this one. The only team that could take a half chance here would be Varanasi. They also choose not to. Well, believe it or not, the name of that character is, or will lead you to value added tax. A character from the world of asterisks and a general tax law in India that got replaced. The answer, value